Hi everyone. Today's video is going to be 6 of the weirdest English traditions. This could probably be a 10-part video actually, because there are so many to go through. But I'll start off with 6. And today, first on the list will be cheese rolling. Now, cheese rolling is an event that takes place at Cooper's Hill in my own county of Gloucestershire. People from all over the world take part in the event. But what happens? Well, from the top of the extremely steep hill, around 9-pound lump of double Gloucester cheese is released, and competitors run as fast as they can to the bottom. When I say run, it's more of a series of somersaults. It's been summarised as 20 young men chasing a cheese up a cliff and tumbling 200 yards to the bottom, where they are scraped up by paramedics and packed off to hospital. I'll leave a link in the description so you can see for yourself. Number 2 is Morris dancing. And Morris dancing is a kind of English folk dance, usually accompanied with a pipe and drum or fiddle, and sometimes accordion. The clothing normally worn is quite unusual, with small bells, clogs, waistcoats, sashes, straw hats and other odd things. Again, I'll leave a link in the description so you can see what that's like. The Strawberry Festival. In the town of Whittlesea, there's an annual event called the Strawberry Festival, which is really quite strange. Men and children are covered entirely in straw and dance while accompanied with Morris dancers, molly dancers, longsword dancers and clog dancers. The tradition died out in the early 20th century, but was brought back in 1980 and has remained popular to this day. Again, I'll leave a link in the description for that, because that is a very interesting thing to watch. Pancake Day. Here in England we have a day just for pancakes, and it's more popular than you would think, with pancake racing, pancake tossing, and some of our daily talk shows even pancake themed. And pretty much everybody eats pancakes on Pancake Day. Town Crier. The town crier in medieval England would be the main source of news, getting people's attention with a handbell and shouting "Oyez!". They were popular due to the fact that many people were illiterate, but even now the town crier still exists. They even hold world championships for it. I'll leave a couple of videos again in the description, because again it's quite interesting to watch. And finally, bourton-on-the-water football match. Every year in the village of Bourton-on-the-Water there is a 6-a-side football match that takes place. The one difference is that it takes place in the river. Hundreds gather to watch the match, which has taken place every summer for 70 years. The players play for 15 minutes in each direction in knee-deep water, and for some reason the referee is dressed as a woman. Yes, I mean, these traditions are strange, and there are stranger ones which I will go into in a future video, but that's what makes this country, the counties, and even the individual villages unique. I'll also be doing a video all about the weirdest English sports as well, so that's one to look forward to in the future. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, stay tuned, subscribe for the next video, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Goodbye.